करने वाले हैं CHS क्लास 9 2024 स्कूल एंट्रेंस टेस्ट का सॉल्यूशन। ये सेट नंबर 3 है। आप में कोई भी सेट हो सकता है 1 2 3, उस हिसाब से क्वेश्चन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट रहते हैं इधर उधर। तो आइए क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं। सबसे पहले हमें इंग्लिश सेक्शन मिलेगा फ्रॉम 1 to 10 एंड देन 91 to 100। 20 क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश के हैं। सो आइए इसको करते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Both the boys are intelligent. Here, the is the right option. Next, dash mankind should love nature. Here, no article will be filled. We met European girl in Rishikesh. Here, a is right because E is a vowel and E is silent. Here, the pronunciation starts with y. It is the consonant sound. So here, A is the right option. They began a 1:15 in the morning. Here time we say that 12:15, 1:15. So here is no article. Next, C is good dash playing the piano. So many of you tick the option in, and it is wrong answer. Here the right answer is at. Next, here is a conversation between two character and we have to change it into direct to indirect. So let's start. Sunny asked Rekha where she was going. Next, Rekha replied that she was going to collect her report card of class 7th. Sunny again asks if not collected it. So right option is if she had not collected it. Rekha applied in affirmative that dash not collected because here she could not collect it because she was sick. She was sick. So we go to the question number 91. Here is 91. First question is find the correct spelled word. It is accessories. Here 4 is the right answer. Next, in each question from 92 to 95, we here are some sentences. We have to choose the correct, that sentence is correct or incorrect. So first one, every boy and every girl were given a packet of sweet is right sentence. So here is a no error. Next, neither of two men was very strong. Here second one is the answer because here was were not suitable. Here were will be suitable. Next, 94. Our happiness or our sorrow is largely due to our own action. Here is a no error. Next, he found and 1 rupee coin yesterday in a backyard of his house. Here, first one is galat, incorrect, because here is a 1 rupee coin. Here we have to find the synonyms in these three questions and antonyms in the last two questions. So this is what make the city alluring. Alluring means attractive. Next, profound. Profound means sincere. Next, disquiet means anxiety. Next, and here two question is of antonyms. Antonym of meek is overbearing. Antagonist means supporter. So we go to the section of math. Here math is from 11th question. By what number should minus 33 by 16 is divided to get minus 11 by 4? In this video we give you the direct answer. In next video we will give you the solution of all the maths question. Next, find m if 8 by 729 multiply by 4 by 18 to the power minus 6 is equal to 2 by 9 to the power 2m minus 1. Here correct answer is minus 1. Next question is product of two number is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, the two numbers are 9 and 144. Next, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 12, so 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 by x is equal to plus minus root 140. So next question is 4x square plus y square equal to 40 and x y is equal to 6. What is the value of 2x plus y? So it is plus minus 8. So next question is two number are such that in the ratio between them is 3 is to 5. If each is increased by 10, the ratio between two number is formed 5 is to 7. What is the original number? Original number are 15 and 25. Next, if 52 man can do a piece of work in 35 days, how many days 28 man will do it? They will do in 65 days. Next, 15 boys can earn 900 rupees in 6 days. How much 20 boys earn in 7 days? It will be 1400. Next, water tank can be filled by tap in 4 hours and emptied by outlet pipe in 5 hours. How long it will take to fill the tank if both tap and the pipe are open? It will be 20 hours. Next, what is the percentage of a pure gold in 20 carat gold if 24 carat is 100% gold? So it will be 83 1 by 3%. Next, if m is 5% of n and n is 24% of p, m is equal to 480. What is the value of p? It will be 40,000. Next, in the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram and angle bisector of A and B meet at O. The value of AOB is equal to 90. Next, one of the diagonal of the rhombus is equal to one of its size. Then the angle of rhombus is 120, 60, 120, 60. Next, 3 cubes of side 3, 4 and 5 centimeter are melted and a new cube is found. The side of new cube is 6 centimeter. Next, Sum of radius of base and height of solid cylinder is 37. If the total surface area of solid cylinder is 1628, what is the circumference of the base? It will be 44 meter. Next, x square plus y is equal to 74. Xy is equal to 35. Then the value of x cube plus y cube is 468. Next, how many sides do a regular polygon if the measure of an exterior angle is 24? It will be 15 sides. The value of this equation is 2 by 3. Next, wheel of a cycle with the diameter of 56 centimeter can cover 100 revolution to reach the destination. The total distance covered by cycle is 176 meter. Next, there is a profit of 12% on selling the watch for 2800. What will the CP of watch? It will be 2500. Next is GK. Which ministry under the government of India launched the app G20 India? G20 India app is launched by Ministry of External Affairs. Next, when and where was the battle between Nawab Sirajuddaula and Robert Clifford? It will be Plassey of 1757. Next, which of the following is incorrectly matched? It is Jodhpur Shivaji. Shivaji is from Maharashtra. Okay. Next, John Fosse won the Nobel Prize in which field? He get the Nobel Prize in literature. Next, where did the Gautam Buddha teach his first sermon after attaining enlightenment? It will be Sarnath. Next, when was the kingdom of Jhansi annexed by the British authority under doctrine of lapse? It is 56 to 57. Next, the process of covering the bare ground between plants with a layer of organic matter like straw to retain moisture is mulching. Next, which of the following was the first iron and steel plant in the country before 1947? It is Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. Next, which of the following is known as golden fiber? It is jute. Next, who was recently appointed as the governor of Odisha? It will be Raghuvar Das. And many of you guesses the Naveen Patnaik. He was the CM, not governor. Next, the book that keeps the record of all endangered animal and plant in India is called Red Data Book. Next, what was the name of species and the first mammal to be cloned? It was Dolly, a sheep. Next, what is the farming duration for Rabi crops? It will be October to March. Which of the following is classified as modern irrigation method? It will be drip system. Next, which of the following correctly match? Swami Vivekanand to Ramakrishna Mission. Next, Abhinav Bindra is associated with which sport? He was associated with shooting. Next, when did the British Parliament transfer the power of East India Company to British Crown? It will be 1858. The scale used to measure the magnitude of power of an earthquake is Richter scale. Next, which of the following is not a constituent of petroleum? It will be CNG. Which of the following laws in pre-independence India get British government ability to arrest people and keep them in prison without a trial? It will be Rolleck Act of 1919. Here, science will be started from 51 question. Which of the following is known as black gold? It will be petroleum. Petroleum is known as black gold. Large scale storage of grain is done in granaries and silos, both. Name the scientist who discovered the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol, it will lose posture. Those species of plants and animals which were found exclusively in particular area are called endemic species. Next, the production of male hormone testosterone and female hormone estrogen is control of which endocrine gland? Master gland, which is known as pituitary gland. Pressure exerted by water at the bottom of the container depends upon height of the column of container. The frictional force exerted by fluid is drag. Next, ultrasound equipment tracking many medical problems work at the more than 20,000 hertz. It will ultrasonic sound. Which of the following part of eye senses color? Cones. In the experiment, if electrodes are immersed in water and current is passed, bubbles of oxygen hydrogen are produced. Oxygen bubbles are formed on positive terminal. Next, anthrax disease is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Tin cans used for storing food is made by electroplating tin onto iron. Petroleum engine release which of the following gas? They will release carbon dioxide. Next, the calorific value of a fuel is expressed in kilojoule per kilogram. Next, head of the safety matchstick box contain the mixture of antimony trisulfide and potassium chlorate. Next, frictional force of an object in a fluid does not depend on mass of the object. Next, in different zone of candle flame, the color of outer zone of the complete combustion, middle zone and partial combustion, and innermost zone of unburned wax are blue of complete combustion, yellow of middle zone, and black of innermost zone. Next, match the following. Citrus cancer can caused with bacteria, rust of wheat caused with fungus, and yellow vein of mosaic of bhindi, which is known as okra, is caused due to the virus. So third one is the right answer. During dry weather, while combing hairs, sometimes we experience hair flying apart. Force responsible for this is electrostatic force. If an object oscillates 5 times in a second, what will be its frequency? Here, 5 in 1 second, 5 hertz its frequency, and here not option, so it will be the bonus question. From here, Hindi will start from 71 question. रंग लाना, मुहावरे का अर्थ प्रभाव उत्पन्न करना. नेक्स्ट, शुद्ध वर्तनी वाला शब्द है गरुड़. थर्ड वन इज द राइट आंसर. रामचरितमानस के रचनाकार कौन है? इसके रचनाकार तुलसीदास हैं. में संप्रांत तत्पुरुष समास है. मगही किस क्षेत्र के आसपास बोली जाती है? यह पटना क्षेत्र के आसपास बोली जाती है. आशातीत का क्या अर्थ है? आशातीत का अर्थ है आशा से अधिक. उत्साह किस रस का स्थायी भाव है? यह वीर रस का स्थायी भाव है. वह मेरा घर है. इस वाक्य में मेरा क्या है? स्वर्नामिक विशेषण. वह बहुत सुंदर स्थान है. वाक्य में बहुत क्या है? प्रविशेषण. जब तुम आओगे तब मैं जाऊंगा. अर्थ के आधार पर है. यह संदेहवाचक वाक्य है. जो बहुत बोलता है उसके लिए एक शब्द होगा वाचाल. किस समूह में पर्यायवाची शब्द नहीं है? अरविंद, सरोज, पद्म, अंबुज इसमें है. दिनकर, सूर्य, भास्कर, रवि इसमें भी है. नेत्र, चक्षु, नयन, आंख इसमें भी है. नदी, सरिता, टटनी, विटप इसमें नहीं है. उ प वर्ग के उच्चारण स्थान है। ओट। भीषण किस विशेष के लिए सबसे उचित विशेषण होगा? युद्ध। भीषण युद्ध। सही क्रम में इन चिन्हों के नाम बताइए। यह विस्मयादि बोधक है, यह पूर्ण विराम है, यह अल्प विराम है और ये अर्ध विराम है। सप्तऋषि में कौन सा समास है? सप्तऋषि में द्विगु समास है। आंधी आई और समूचा वातावरण धूली धूसरित हो गया। वाक्य में समुच्चय बोधक अव्यय कौन सा है? और। अति धन अधिक की सही संधि क्या है? अत्यधिक। इनमें से हिंदी के कहानी के लेखक में के रूप में कौन प्रसिद्ध है? प्रेमचंद्र। सच्चाई से बड़ी कोई शक्ति नहीं है। वाक्य में सच्चाई क्या है? वाक्य में सच्चाई भाववाचक संज्ञा है। So, thank you for watching this video. Today we will discuss all the questions of CHS class 9th paper which is happen on 29 April 2024. Thank you.